if you're experiencing audio desync issues in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings in Apex Legends. Ensure that the correct audio output device is selected and that the volume levels are appropriately set. Adjust any settings that may be causing conflicts. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use a driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers. Restart your computer after the update. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher like Origin or Steam and verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help fix audio issues. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to see if it improves performance and reduces audio desync. Sometimes high graphics settings can cause performance issues that affect audio sync. Step 5. Restart the game and system. If the problem persists, restart Apex Legends on your computer. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh the system, potentially resolving the audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Apex Legends. If problems continue, consider reaching out to support or checking community forums for additional solutions.